Wanted to add more explanation about try number 3B, where we had no solution. This is on page 50. For the example 3, try B. So if you organize your steps properly, you will be able to come to a point where you will see a 0 equals to negative 10. Which is not true. So if you see any equation like that, there's no solution. But how can we get here, right? Just make sure that you keep the rules for the properties of solving equations. But here, we are not going to use substitution until we are already solved out for one variable. At least. So we're not going to substitute one variable to another equation just to solve just to get rid of another variable. We're going to use elimination for that purpose. So please use elimination or multiplying, dividing the entire equation before elimination to minimize your mistake or to minimize confusion when there is no solution. So if you keep these rules, you'll be able to you'll be able to see run into a situation where 0 is equal to negative 10 or 0 is equal to negative 2 or any equation that doesn't make the equation true. So when you're eliminating by adding or subtracting the entire equations, you will eventually get there when you have a special case of no solution. So please remember that step. It is greatly recommended that you have 3 equations at a time. So for each step, this is my second step, this is my third step, that's my fourth step, and I finally got to this equation where there's no variable and my 0 is equal to negative 10, which is not true, in my fourth step. So second step, third step, fourth step. So one by one, if you're not doing any operation, you can just copy down the equation, but you need to have 3 equations per each step. Okay? This is a lot less trouble than having to solve everything and figuring out that your solution doesn't work for all the equations and you have an inconsistent system at the end. That is a longer way around. So please make sure that your steps are organized so that you don't have to worry about checking your solution all the time. It'll save a lot of time. Okay, that's it.